Hey, what's going on, everybody? I saw a new feature in Tactical Arbitrage that I wanted to talk to you about, and you might find this particularly useful if you've been thinking about using the software Tactical Arbitrage, but you're a little reluctant because it looks so overwhelming, or you've been trying the software and you haven't been getting any luck with it. There's a lot of stuff going on, and this, I think they've done just to make it easy. So right now you're looking at my dashboard, and if you look along the left-hand margin, right away you see guided search. If you click on that, this is where you perform your search. So guys, if you've ever taken a look at a typical search, there's a lot more going on than this. Even in the simple view, there's a lot more going on than this. So I think what they're trying to do is help you out if you really want something streamlined. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you get to pick a category out of these three: toys, pets, sports, and outdoors. And they pick these. The reason they give you only these options, and you can only get one, but why did they pick toys, pets, and sports and outdoors? Because those have very high demand, and they're not perishable in a lot of cases. And the sizes, if you start getting into multi-packs, a lot of times they don't go as big, say for comparing to a category like industrial and scientific or something like that. So you pick one. All right. I would pick sports and outdoors because I like that. Then you only get two searches, guys. They keep this simple for you, so you cannot overwhelm yourself. You're gonna love it. Okay. I love Sierra and I love Big Sporting Goods. I also like Target, but they ain't going to give me that. You can only get a maximum of two. Which subcategories would you like to search? Only 5 maximum. So I would just go fitness, sports, camping, hiking, and then you can come over to your filters. And guys, here we go again. If you've seen a typical search setup page, you got a lot more going on than this. Return on investment, I put 35%. Also include Amazon out of stock. I'll say yes. Star rating, I really don't care, but you can put whatever, and you can use decimal points. Say if you don't want anything over, less than 3.5. If you don't want anything less than that, you can set your minimum to 3, 2. You can use a decimal point, whatever. I don't care, because star ratings have never affected my ability to sell a product. In fact, I've sold products with abysmal ratings, so I don't care. Average monthly sales, I would say 10 for myself. You might only want to deal with something that has 70 or whatever. Okay, that's all there is to it, guys. You click search, and you're done. And you know you're done because now when you try to go to search, it's over. Another way that you know you're done: come into the search manager and look at it's under product search. And there it is. Wait, nope, there it is. Sierra, big5sportinggoods.com. There they are. The search is going. Guys, if you want to learn how to use the software, if you really want to get in deep, we've got an entire series on it. If you don't want to get into a whole series, maybe you just want to get going in 10 minutes, we've got the lightning courses. Those are going to get you going right now. And in 10 minutes, you got your searches going and everything. And what's even greater about it is, if you look down in the description, there's a link so that you can try the software for 10 days for free. And if you take the lightning course first, in those 10 days, you're already making money, guys. Can't beat it. All right. Make sure to give the video a like if you got any value out of it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us live every week. Myself and my co-host, the lovely Miss Karen, and we can answer your questions, help you tackle any problems, issues, concerns that you might have. If you want to reach out to me, text the words "working class hustler" to the number either on your screen or down in the description, and you can text me, ask me any questions. If we need to hop on a call, we will. So other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.